dear students, good morning. I already told you about discourses. Discourses are two types, minor discourses and major discourses. I already introduced you four kinds of minor discourses. Those are diary entry, notice, invitation, message. Today I am going to introduce another important minor discourse, poster. Poster is also most important minor discourse, which is a important minor discourse which attracts the audience more. What is a poster? A poster is a strong mode of visual, that is pictorial and verbal communication. It influences the viewer easily by its attractive nature of colorful figures and gravity language. See here, poster should not only present verbal sentences but also pictures. A poster includes related pictures to the content of the poster, and also gravity language. We have to use gravity language in posters. Gravity language means slogan type of language, quotations, etc. we have to include in the poster. A poster is a formal means of communication. It announces events, celebrations, competitions, inaugurations, awareness programs, and public instructions, etc. In etc. situations, we use poster to attract the mass audience, to convey the mass audience about the events or celebrations or competitions or inaugurations, etc. What to include in a poster? A poster should be include the following features: name of the organization, suitable caption or heading, venue, date and time, details of the program and schedule, suitable pictures, who issued the poster. Let me see these features in the layout in detail. Let me see the layout of a poster. If you observe the layout of a poster, there is no proper layout. We only designed a layout to attract the examiner. If we follow this kind of layout, we may score more marks in examinations. That's why we designed a layout by including all the features of a poster. Suppose at first we have to write name of the organization. Suppose you are going to organize Haritaharam program in your school. What is the organization name? ZPHS Gopalapuram is the organization name. Next, caption or heading. You are going to organize Haritaharam program. That's why heading or caption will be Haritaharam program. Afterwards, we have to draw some pictures, some images related to the poster, content of the poster. If it is the poster about the Haritaharam program, you have to draw some plants or some trees pictures attractively. Next, you have to write details of the program. In the details of the program, you have to write when will be the program, where will be the program, what time will be the program, who are the chief guests in the program, who are the participants in the program, who are the target audience in the program, etc. Information should be present in the details of the program. At last, we have to write the details of issuing authority. If ZPHS Gopalapuram Cultural Club is issuing the poster, then you have to write Cultural Club ZPHS Gopalapuram. Like such, a poster includes some images, some verbal sentences with slogan type of or quotation type of sentences or language we have to use. First of all, we have to remember that in a poster we have to use minimum words or minimum literature with maximum information. Minimum words with maximum information. That is the main theme of poster. The size of the letters should be attractive, size should be considerable size should be maintained in the poster. Like such, we have to write the poster. Okay.
Oh, starts now.
Now let me see an example for poster. If in a examinations the question may be given like this. Imagine you are the secretary of the cultural club of your school. You wish to conduct Save Water campaign in your locality. Now prepare a poster keeping in view the following details. Details may be given by himself in the question paper. Title of the poster, proper layout and illustrations, target audience, who issued, schedule of the campaign, etc. features should be present in the poster. Now, how to write the poster, let me see. We have to capture, we have to extract information from the question only. Suppose organization name. Here, imagine you are the secretary of cultural club of your school is there in question. Our school is ZPHS Gopalapuram. Who is issuing the poster? Cultural club. The organization name Cultural Club ZPHS Gopalapuram. First item over. Next, caption or heading. The poster is about what? Save water. Save water, save life. Caption also given. Over. Organization over. Save water, save earth. Caption also over. Now, we have to include some slogans related to the poster to attract the audience. Save water, save life. No water, no life. Save water, it will save you. Like such. Here I draw a water drop. Every drop of water is precious. And I draw some stream of water. Some stream lines of water here. This resembles stream, water streams. Like such, related drawing we have to draw on the poster. It gives extra attraction to the audience. Here, in the details of the program, details of the poster, we have to write when will be the program start, when will be the program ends, and what time it will start and what time it will ends. Chief guest also I mentioned here. Next, programs, songs and speeches on saving water and the earth. At last we have to write issuing authority's name, issued by Cultural Club ZPHS Gopalapuram. Like such, all the points were covered in the poster. We never get frustration to write, to attempt a poster. We have to maintain, we have to remember the features of a poster. First of all, organization name, next caption, next details of the program, next issuing, at last issuing authority. And also we have to include some quotations or some slogans or some pictures related to the poster. That's enough to write the poster.